Welcome to the Zonez 4x4 installation video. First thing to do is unpack everything and place it in front of you. Once you know where your booth will go, put the base down. Find the corner post and insert into the floor track at the rear left corner with the hollow side facing the panel B1. Insert the B1 panel and install the floor track, and then insert the C1 panel next. Next, install the wireway. Then, for the window, put C2 in the panel first, the WC on top, followed by C3. Install the next cornered piece 3 into the track. Insert the next D1 panel in the other side of the track. Install the top cap with 8 pre-drilled holes. Do not fasten the screws at this time. Find the door panel, AL, remove the wood panel below. Locate and install the remaining 2 corner posts. Install the door panel and slide the corner post down in the floor track. Place the remaining top caps over their respective walls and corner posts. Screw them in. Next, hang the door. Please review the manual for further instruction about wiring your booth. Next, locate the roof assembly. Install with the wireway lined up with the vertical wireway in the back. Locate the electrical cord within the hole in the side of the roof and plug it firmly into the receptacle at the top of the wireway. Then, attach the roof assembly using the provided screws. Mount the door closer on the door using the 4 screws in the pre-drilled holes. Install parallel arm bracket to frame using the remaining screws. Using a wrench on the square shaft at the bottom of the closer, rotate 45 degrees towards hinge edge of door. Hold and place main arm of shaft on top closer. Tighten the arm and install rod end of the forearm to bracket using screws and washer assembly. Now it's time to install the counter. The counter will be installed at standing height of 39 inches unless stated otherwise. Congratulations, you have successfully built a 4x4 Zonez booth.